Good morning, everyone. Yes, this is my morning face because I didn't have coffee yet. So, today I'm going to make an unboxing video and I'm going to unboxing a Dolce Gusto.
Genio S Touch.
Yes, Genio S Touch. Thank you so much for helping me. How I'm saying before, it's too early.
And
Yes, this video is not sponsored.
one day.
Oh my goodness. One day you will wake up. So, let's open the box. Well, this is how I get. So, did not have a safe package. I don't know why. Doesn't matter. This means everybody can open the box and can see what is inside. I need to stand up because
Stand up. Stand up.
cool. So the first thing is that it's books. I will see later. I will check. What is that?
Blah, blah, blah.
Yes, it's yours.
Oh, thank you so much. Like that one.
What?
Like that one.
Oh, a dog. Mm. Good. Good girl. Good girl. The cable is not as long, but it's red. It's nice. It's so cute. Let me see. Here is the water tank.
It's empty.
Smells new. Here is a filter inside. It's a small filter. Cool. Oh my god. Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess card.
No.
So, thank you. Oh, wait. Cool.
No, it's a black.
And you can put it here too. And here you can open. This is, you need to use when you clean.
Yeah.
And this is magnetic. Just put here. Bang. Close. Of course, you need coffee, you need power, you need water. You can set up here. But no water, no coffee.
No problem. It's yours.
Yes. Give me.
Gimme. Gimme.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. No, wait. Okay, forward. Let's see.
Mhm. Okay, so I don't know if you see, guys. I'm trying to come closer. More.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the sun.
Yeah.
So here you can set how long coffee you want. But no, I don't see nothing here. You can.
The temperature.
Yes, if you want, but no, it doesn't show. You can use cold, warm. More warmer and hot water, and you can boost your coffee. So let's give
Extra.
yes. No. What are you doing? Be good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What
It's
do
yours.
yes, it's mine. But the little, I don't know how I will call her. Little doggy. No, the little new baby will make for you hot chocolate too. You see, she will be a good girl. Good girl.
Yeah.
So this is how it looks. And very soon we will see how it works. So, thanks for watching. Thank you. My head. So, if you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh my goodness. And comment, please. You can follow us on TikTok. Oh my goodness. Facebook. Instagram. And Twitter. Our neighbors is watching USA will think we are crazy. But we are.
No coffee. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
See you soon. Bye bye.
No coffee. Yes, no coffee.
Bye bye.
Bye.